How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in desktop. Saving a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on your desktop is a simple process. Now simply follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser and search for the chatgpt.com and make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Now simply type down something for the conversation. Here I am giving the ChatGPT to generate a short paragraph for dog. Now, once done so, all you have to do is select all chats and tap on them. Simply try selecting from the very beginning. Make sure you select whole conversation of the ChatGPT generated. Then double tap it, and after that tap on the print option available there. Then you will be navigated to the save as PDF option available. Simply tap on the save and save it to your desktop or anywhere. And once done so, simply go to the desktop or the file you have saved your PDF to. Then tap on the PDF. Then you will get to view your ChatGPT conversation in PDF form. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.